Mi gente!
The king of salsa is having a concert, Mark Anthony himself, and we're gonna be there.
Did you get your tickets yet? This is actually a virtual event, so whether you want to get all decked out like they usually do at his concerts, or just throw on some slippers, throw on your PJs, you're still sitting front row.
We are ready, we got our drinks ready. This is the official Mark Anthony concert cocktail. It's called Una Noche, and we're gonna make it right now.
If Mark Anthony's music was a cocktail, this is what it would look like. The first thing you're going to need for this cocktail is some spice. We're adding 2 slices of jalapeno, and we're gonna muddle this directly into our serving glass.
Next, we're gonna be adding 2 ounces of mango puree. Why did we choose mango?
Tell the people why.
Because Mark Anthony.
Obviously. Now grab your cocktail shaker and add 1 ounce of pineapple juice. Next, we're going to be adding 1 full ounce of lime juice. So we're going to be squeezing 1 full lime into our cocktail.
There are so many tropical flavors in this cocktail. Next, we're gonna add 2 ounces of coconut cream. My favorite.
Last, we're going in with 2 ounces of mango rum. If you can't get your hands on mango rum, this cocktail tastes bomb with regular rum as well. But I mean the mango rum, oh my God.
Wow, this cocktail tastes exactly like a creamsicle.
The orange creamsicle you would get as a kid. I don't know why it tastes like that because there's no orange in this cocktail, but it really does. Like a spicy one because there's some jalapeno in there. Go get your tickets for Una Noche con Mark Anthony and then go get your ingredients. Make this cocktail at home and you will be ready to salsa the night away, okay baby? Let's go.
Oh,